You know, school begins in about 3 weeks, but many families are still planning a last-minute getaway. It can be a little tough, though, if you're a parent who shares custody of your children. But attorney Justin Thomas joins us with some answers on how to split the difference, as it were. Is it too late to try to get custody of your child to take him or her on a vacation?
Well, it could be too late this late in the summer to try to get custody, but it's not too late to try to work together. And that's really the biggest tip we can have for parents at this point, is try to be flexible. Imagine if you lived out of town and we're trying to get to your child. Be flexible with flights and things like that. And if there is an emergency, there's always a situation where you can get in front of the courts if there is an emergency.
What is the best thing to do if you're thinking about, okay, it's late July right now, but let's plan for the holidays? Is it too early to start planning who will have the kids for Thanksgiving or Christmas?
Absolutely not. In fact, that's the best thing you could possibly do, is plan in advance. Obviously, school calendars and those things come out well in advance of the school year, and to the extent parents can work together, plan out their children's school year, that's in everybody's best interest, where you can get cheap flights, work together, and make it enjoyable for both the parents and the kids.
From what I understand, sometimes getting the child from point A to point B can be the problem, especially if one of the parents moves out of state. So
Correct.
how do you decide that?
Well, in the parenting plan, which most parties have in a post-divorce setting, is going to set forth the schedule for the child. But that's why I talk about the flexibility of just because it's your time on a Sunday, maybe you should work with the other parent. If a Saturday flight is much cheaper, or on certain times, you know, parents can only get flights at certain dates and times.
You know, people who are going through a divorce right now, probably it's tough to think long term, but I guess you need to think about all these things, vacations, holidays, and that kind of thing when you're planning out custody.
Correct. And the biggest thing is understand it's about your children. You know, what's in their best interest. That's what the court's going to look to as well. And as far as planning goes, even if you're going through the divorce process, you can put together a temporary parenting schedule so you can plan out what parent has what holidays and work together so that you can share time during the holidays.
And if there's a last minute thing, you mentioned be flexible a couple of times. That's probably the key, because if you're flexible, your ex-spouse might be flexible for you the next time.
Correct. You know, work together. Again, it's about the children. Your relationship has broken down if you're in a divorce situation, but if you can work together and be flexible, that's usually reciprocated from the other parent, and it helps everything go a lot smoother.
All right, Justin Thomas, thank you so much for joining us on this Tuesday morning. Is it warm outside?
It is.
And steamy, right?
Right.
All right.